This is good. This is why I do these business spotlights. Because I get to get free food. Maybe you can't cook like me, or maybe you're just too busy and don't have time to cook. Well, allow me to introduce you to Mela Meal Prep. Delicious and healthy Ethiopian food delivered fresh at your doorstep. No need to worry about what's for dinner. It's just a click or phone call away. Let's check them out.
Think I could forgive you. See, our word is slowly dying. I'm not wasting.
This is incredible. Guys, this is Betty here, the owner of Mela Meal Prep. Let's just pause for a second. Let me just eat and then maybe we'll restart. Is that okay? Betty, this looks delicious.
Thanks, yeah.
Let's talk about how this came to be. What started, why did it start, and just kind of talk us through that.
Yeah, so I grew up in Ethiopia, and we eat Ethiopian food every day.
Yes.
And I like to eat it healthy, but I felt like in the DMV area it was kind of missing.
Slowly dying. I'm not wasting no more time.
One of my favorite dishes is misir. Like, that's looking amazing. What is the dishes that you guys provide?
So we specialize in Ethiopian food, both fasting and non-fasting options.
Okay.
So what makes us different is we use local and organic products
Okay.
whenever possible.
Yeah.
And then we use olive oil for all our cooking, so there's no like seed oil or vegetable oil.
Okay.
And yeah, like we try to make it convenient and healthy.
Be silent and when life will be over. Don't think you will forgive you.
So we basically label our food with the ingredients.
Okay. And this, some of these are the meat.
So we do have meat options over here,
Meat
like
options.
the isagawa.
I'm a carnivore. You gotta have meat. None of this fasting stuff for me.
So we switch it up to, so over here you have that isaga,
Okay.
and then
Sigawa. Look at my skills. Sigawa. Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, Sigawa. Look at that. It is. Okay. All right. Let's get to the tasting.
So,
All right. Which one should I try?
You never said a word. You didn't send me no.
Freshly made right now. I saw him bring them out.
See, our word is.
Almost in here. Betty. All right. What do I order? Guys, I just killed it. Betty, this was amazing. I got my package to go. Betty, look at this. This is incredible, amazing concept and delicious. People that want to order, again, let's just kind of go over it.
MelaMealPrep.com.
MelaMealPrep.com. We'll add it obviously on it. And then the number one more time.
202-430-9136.
There it is, guys. Click or phone call away. Thanks so much. Appreciate you.